Nitric oxide is produced by almost every type of cell in the human body and is one of the most important molecules for blood vessel health. Nitric oxide relaxes the inner muscles of your blood vessels, and by doing this, the vessels widen. Because of this, nitric oxide increases blood flow and lowers blood pressure. In this video, I will talk about the pros and cons of supplements that increase nitric oxide production in the body. Supplements that increase nitric oxide in the body are very popular, but it's important to know that these supplements don't contain nitric oxide itself. Supplements are often misleading with their labels, but the supplements may contain compounds that your body can use to make nitric oxide and have been shown to provide many benefits for health and performance. 5 potential benefits of taking nitric oxide supplements are as follows. The first one is, as I mentioned before, it's lowering blood pressure. People with high blood pressure are thought to have an impaired ability to use nitric oxide in their bodies. It has been shown that a diet high in fruits and vegetables decreases blood pressure and therefore lowers the risk of disease. There are numerous fruits and vegetables that can aid in boosting your nitric oxide levels, such as dark chocolate, beets, and arugula. Beets are especially used in supplements that claim to help with nitric oxide production. The second benefit is boosting exercise performance. Nitric oxide is involved in many cell performances, such as the widening of blood vessels. Wider blood vessels help increase the delivery of nutrients and oxygen to working muscles during exercise, thus potentially enhancing exercise performance. Nitric oxide supplements are popular among athletes and gym goers for this reason. Ingredients that increase nitric oxide, such as nitrate or the amino acids L-arginine and L-citrulline, are common in nitric oxide supplements. The third benefit is in potentially helping manage type 2 diabetes. Nitric oxide production is impaired in people with type 2 diabetes. This leads to poor blood vessel health, which can cause high blood pressure, kidney disease, and heart disease. One study showed that when people with type 2 diabetes took L-arginine, their nitric oxide production increased. An increase in nitric oxide also led to increased insulin sensitivity, allowing for better blood sugar control. More studies are needed to establish a better relationship between nitric oxide's capability in helping managing type 2 diabetes. The fourth benefit is potentially decreasing muscle soreness. A form of L-citrulline called citrulline malate increases nitric oxide production and also decreases muscle soreness. Citrulline malate increases nitric oxide production, which then increases blood flow to active muscles. The last potential benefit is helping treat erectile dysfunction. Nitric oxide is needed so the muscles in the penis can relax and fill with blood. It's important to note that prescription drugs specific for erectile dysfunction are more successful than supplements with L-citrulline and L-arginine. Some supplements claim that nitric oxide supplements can help build muscle. Even though this isn't exactly true, they may help you exercise intensely a little longer. No studies have demonstrated a significant increase in muscle size or fullness with nitric oxide supplements, and this is very important since some supplements may claim that nitric oxide can help build muscle. It's important to note that nitric oxide supplements do not provide nitric oxide that is a gas. Generally, nitric oxide supplements contain L-arginine that may increase nitric oxide production in the body. Nitric oxide then potentially increases blood flow to muscles and other organs, aiding in exercise performance and decreasing muscle soreness. There have been studies to research beets and its relation to nitric oxide. A 4-week clinical trial at the University of Iowa showed that concentrated amounts of beets help support healthy blood pressure levels and promote nitric oxide production. The Super Beets formula also helps support healthy circulation. More research is still needed to determine the relationship between beets and nitric oxide. Finally, nitric oxide supplements are generally safe when taken in appropriate amounts. However, L-arginine taken in doses above 10 grams can cause stomach discomfort and diarrhea. Another side effect is that beetroot juice supplements can turn your urine and stool dark red. This is a common but harmless side effect. Before taking supplements to increase nitric oxide, or any supplements for that matter, a doctor or dietitian should be consulted. Depending on the product, side effects and dosages may vary substantially. In conclusion, always be wary of claims on supplement labels. Nitric oxide has some proven benefits, but many of the claims discussed here are only potential benefits. More research is still needed to truly understand the benefits of nitric oxide supplements.